Hello, it's Peace Kitty, and we are going. Somehow these two got here. Sit. Okay. So somehow my birds got over here, and I do not want to be crouching. Oh yeah. I forgot to mention that like they can actually they can actually go on your shoulders. It's amazingness. Do. Now I'll just. Oh. What? Oh, okay. Okay. That is just weird. And I'm going to have to find where it is. Blue stained glass turned it into. Now where is the stainy glass? Where is the stainy glass? Glassy, glassy glass. Glass. Glassy glass. Glassy. Okay, that seems to be it. Now we have to add some more greenness so that it can look like we are actually in a rainy forest, and that it is not just a room made of all these things. Okay, so do I still have somebody on? Oh, both of them are still on my shoulders. Weird. I don't know how that literally happened. Come on, turn the radio on. Oh, I think that's just how I look. Did it get off my shoulder? Oh yeah. That's weird. You two are weird. Weird. Why am I so weird? Literally, I have to stop saying the word weird. Literally. Okay, fine. Just, sit down. PC, I want you on my shoulder. Yay. And then you can sit. These can be like a place where they can visit, you know? My problem is how am I ever going to get them back into their cage? So now we will just build this up. Oh, how did Blueberry get on my shoulder? I keep forgetting which ones their names are, literally. They're confusing. Let's see what we have on a book and quill. Wait, what? Oh. It's empty. Great. Okay. So why don't you need you? And now we're gonna have to where is my grassy block? I need a grassy grass block. So now we will do this. It's like this is going to be like a game, and it's going to be a super fun game. Soon, we're just going to be doing lots of games. And, yeah, we're going to be doing lots and lots of games. We're going to be making hundreds of them. First, let's decorate on the inside so that the chain actually works. So, I was decorating up our house before this video. Now I just need to find the minecart because I am really confused how the Okay, there are the minecarts. I just need literally. I just want a minecart. Literally. Okay, now I need to know what types of rails there are. Where are the rails? Where are the rails? I need the little rails right here. Activate a rail. Now I need is a little tiny thing to light it up. Redstone torch. A redstone torch. Ready, stone torch. Torch. King Kong on. No. I need to keep that right there. Come on to the video. 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 Come on to the radio. Saturday and sit. I want you to be on my shoulder. I want you to sit. Okay, there and then here. It's really hard to work with these parrots fluttering around like wild beasts. Really, it's really hard. I mean it. 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 I I'm just singing songs in like murmuring sounds more like that. I'm just singing a song that I know almost by heart, like literally. It's so easy, I could have sung it alone by heart. Do 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 do. So now we just need to do this. Oh, great. We're just gonna need one. Gonna need a few things. So all we're gonna need now is a water bucket, some grass, and what's the other thing that we need? The other thing that we need, I do not know what we need, so I'm just going to wait. Okay, so we're gonna need those two. And then, oh yeah, the other thing that we need, wait, okay, I'm gonna use this and then just take a normal rail to trail, pee 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 pee, can a wiki, choo 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 choo. Right. Come on, how is that not possible? Not even gonna use. There. Literally, I just need to do time, day, exit. No. Time, day, times a day. Go out, and now it's going to be much easier. So somebody goes in, then their minecart is gonna fall down into a tiny pool of water, not down there, but gonna fall down right there, right here, right now. Then so so that they are just like this. I want to do now, so that it just goes perfectly fine. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be how this works. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do this. What the heck is going on? Literally. That's the exact same bug I had last time, literally. So now I'm just gonna have to do the exact same thing as before. Literally. So I'm just gonna make the. It's gonna be a really weird. Because that one's gonna be the one ending off in water. So that's gonna be. So now I totally am crazy because all I need now, all I needed. Come on, tell the brother on. Literally. Come on. I can barely break this, literally. It's really weird. now. All I need now is literally. Oops, whatever. I'm really getting angry at this. Whatever. Then this might not look very nice. I'm having a really hard time. So this one's gonna end up in water. Cause that. And then this one. So this is gonna red. So like, let's see. So let's see. Somebody's like over here. So they're like, come on, let's get in. Okay, yeah. Some people are just gonna have to be like, oops, sorry, but I'm gonna have to be in front of you. Or something like that. So like literally. This is annoying. And then over here. It's gonna be the water right here. The only problem is that they're gonna have to look out for crossing. I'm just not gonna totally think this is funny. So they're not gonna hurt themselves or anything. I'm just gonna add like a bit of a slowness and then add like do. Activate a rail. In my neighborhoods, in my heart, even with the drum, right? And then, what the heck is, right. Literally, what is this problem? What's the problem with these minecarts? Right. What in the world is it? What's happening? Literally, what's this? So far. What's this jittering when they're like on these? Like as soon as it gets there. See? Look. Even these. Welcome to the video. So now I'm just going to have to do this. Everybody's gonna have to manufacture around here. So like so now let's get on with the game. So there's gonna be hundreds of times when I'm gonna have to do this. Good. Didn't. Oh. So sorry, I'm getting a bit angry at my thing. I have a great idea of what to do next. So I'm just gonna come on to the video. Do 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 do. Come on, turn the radio on. There. So I just get excited in songs, even though you might not have heard me. Don't want them to see that gruesome side of the swamp. Doom, doom. So there, that's one good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just in a song, literally. Get over there. I don't gonna do it like that high, cause sometimes I have the best idea for the end of this video. There, da 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 do 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 do. So now I'm just gonna do there. Gonna use band, and I'm gonna use grass blocks, and also here I am going to use green wood. Where's green wood? Okay, I just literally have to trick me with shulker boxes. Literally, I'm just looking for some wool. There's wool. Okay, fine. to find the wool. Where's the wool? Now where's the wool? I need to find some wool. Yeah. Sorry about this, but I'm just being a crazy person. Oops. So now where did I find the eggies? I'm crazy, I'm so crazy. I just need to find a little something tonight. Why am I being so weird? I don't know why, but I am being so weird. So, I'm just gonna make it look like you were in a canopy. Canopy of sunlight, light, cha-chow, cha-chun light. I'm just being weird. I just need some, guess what? I'm going to need some actual leaves because I need it to look like you're in a sunlit. Of course, it's sunlight, but canopy. And then, like, if just in case it gets nighttime, I'm gonna put some glowstone underneath some leaves or something like a very nice light so that it looks as if you're actually in a sunlit canopy. I'm just on the phone with my ladies tonight. I'm just gonna add some things right here and make it look in a sunlit canopy. And I have parrots flying around the top. I'm just doing this so that I can get. So actually, this is not how I planned. This one's a bit different than the other. Whatever, ever. Ooh, that's a nice space to put. We could add some stuff over there. Why does Pisa always explore? She's so weird. I explore too, but like, I don't explore as much as she does. Cause literally, look at her. She's crazy. Okay, and I'm gonna do this time, day, dancing, so that it is the day. I have an idea, such an. Nah, this would not work. So then we're just. Okay, funk. Because one of the things, I'll show you one of the things about this. First, we just need to find where is it? So now I just have to figure it out. So I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm just weird. So yes, we need just. If you wanted me to do redstone, I'm not that good, so we're just gonna see how this turns out. Okay? I'm just not really good at redstone. And we're going to need some levers. And the next thing that we need is, I think, in this compartment now. But I think it's in this one. Maybe, if I am right. Is it here? Yep. Okay. That was really funny. Literally, it was. Literally. We're gonna do that after. Sit, PC. So. I'm just a bit silent. So now I don't know why, but I feel what So this is going to be the end of this video because there's no reason. Maybe the next video I'll finish this and then we can go over there to that little rock space, see? That part. And then we can build a cave and it's going to be really cool. So, good. Have to do this properly. Goodbye.